affordable hotel na may free everyday buffet breakfast within Pratunam area. At kung gusto mo mag-shopping sa Bangkok, ito talaga ang perfect place for you. Malapit din siya sa Platinum Fashion Mall. 8-minute walk from the train station from airport. Sobrang lapit sa Tofu Skincare at sa 100 Thailand Bath Shop. Madaling araw na kami dumating sa hotel from a red-eye flight. Good thing nakakapasok sa street yung Bolt car. Kaya dito sa mismong hotel na kami bumaba. In front may ATM machine, halos katabi ng hotel may money exchange din. Yung full hotel and room tour sa vlog on my YouTube channel, Jassap. Superior double with window nga itong aming ibinook. Tapos yung sa dalawang ate namin ay twin room naman. So ito na yung room tour guys. I booked it for only 2,500 pesos per night. Early booking yun guys, per room. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link kung saan kami nag-book. Total of 6 nights and 2 rooms for the 4 of us. So may ref, may vanity table, may TV, may complimentary toiletries, water, coffee. And FYI guys, wala pong socket sa bed area. Total of 3 lang siya nandoon sa may ref area. For us, okay naman tong hotel na to, malinis, maayos, okay ang service and masarap ang breakfast. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng hotel for your next travel in Bangkok, okay itong First House Hotel. Pwede rin mag-iwan ng luggage. Hope it helps and thank you for watching. Follow me for more videos like this. God bless!